We often judge our gardens by what we see: leaves, flowers, fruit, forgetting the world beneath our feet. The real crisis isn't a lack of nutrients, but a lack of life in the soil. Healthy soil teems with billions of unseen organisms, bacteria, fungi, nematodes, all working together. These microbes unlock nutrients and create a thriving ecosystem for plants. When we overuse fertilizers or till heavily, we destroy this web of life. The result? Soil that's lifeless and unable to support healthy plants. But life can return if we help it. The first step is understanding that soil is alive. Ancient growers knew the secret to a thriving garden was fostering life in the soil, not just adding nutrients. They created compost tea, a living brew of beneficial microbes to restore soil vitality. Unlike chemical fertilizers, which offer a quick fix but harm soil life, compost tea feeds the soil itself. It reintroduces the bacteria and fungi that form the foundation of the soil food web. These microbes break down organic matter, unlock minerals, and create resilient, healthy plants. Compost tea works in harmony with nature, restoring the natural cycles that support plant life. The result is not just greener plants, but stronger, more pest-resistant gardens. By feeding the soil, we create a self-sustaining ecosystem. This is the true heart of a living garden. Compost tea is like brewing a living culture for your garden. You'll need a 5-gallon bucket, aquarium air pump, chlorine-free water, a cup of quality compost, and a tablespoon of unsulfured molasses. Remove chlorine by letting water sit or bubbling it. Place compost in a mesh bag and submerge it. Add molasses to feed the microbes. Brew for 24 to 36 hours, keeping it aerated. The tea should smell earthy, not sour. Use within hours. This living liquid revives your soil. Apply compost tea when the soil is moist and the sun is gentle. Early morning or cloudy days are best. Use a watering can to drench the soil or a sprayer for leaves, delivering microbes right where they're needed. Once in the ground, bacteria and fungi get to work, breaking down organic matter and unlocking nutrients. Fungal networks stretch through the soil, bringing water and minerals to plant roots. Microbial activity improves soil structure, making it crumbly, airy, and better at holding water. Healthy soil means less runoff, more moisture, and stronger roots. Beneficial microbes crowd out disease-causing organisms, creating a protective barrier around roots. Plants become more resilient to drought, pests, and disease. No chemicals needed. The once silent soil now hums with life and productivity. This is the underground transformation that powers a thriving garden. For depleted soil, apply compost tea every 2 weeks at first to jumpstart microbial life. As the soil recovers, reduce to monthly applications to maintain vitality. Signs of success: darker, fragrant earth, healthier plants, and more earthworms. Avoid chlorinated water and don't overbrew. Use the tea fresh for best results. Support your living soil with organic mulch to protect and feed microbes. Minimize tilling to preserve fungal networks. Let earthworms and microbes do the mixing. With these habits, you can replace synthetic fertilizers entirely. Living soil becomes self-fertilizing, self-watering, and self-protecting. You're not just gardening, you're stewarding a vibrant ecosystem. Even the most lifeless ground can be revived with care and compost tea. With nature as your partner, the silent earth can sing again.